Hello, my YouTube people. I welcome you back again to another drum lesson which I have for you, which is the 6/8 drum lesson, which will blow your mind. So people will be asking, how do you play 6/8? I'm going to show you what 6/8 is all about. Some people knows about 4/4, 3/4, but they don't know about 6/8. So I'm going to break it down for you in this lesson. Stay tuned and see. If you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today's lesson, which is 6/8 drum lesson, which is going to be very easy. 6/8. What do I mean by 6/8? To count 6/8 is just to count 1 to 6, which is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just simple. So I'm going to show you here on the snare drum and on the hi-hat with the kick. Here's how it sounds. What I'll be doing there, I'll be playing on the snare drum, play on the beat of 4, and I'll be playing the kick drum on the beat of 1. So you're going to check it out. So that's just simple. Don't forget to subscribe and practice. Practice makes perfect. So you have to rehearse this, and we'll see you soon. Peace, people. God bless you.